Imagine stepping out your front door and seeing a perfectly manicured landscape, lush, green, and absolutely stunning, without having touched a shovel, pulled a single weed, or spent a dime on watering in months. Sounds impossible? It's not. Hi, I'm Sam, and I'm back on the Seniors Gardening Advice channel with a solution that's going to completely transform how you think about your yard. Today, we're diving deep into the 10 most incredible ground covers that literally do the work for you while you sit back and enjoy your weekends. If you've ever felt defeated by endless lawn mowing, stubborn weeds, or watching your garden struggle through summer heat, this video is exactly what you need. So before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our gardening tips. Drop a like down below if you're ready to ditch the lawnmower forever, and let's dive into these game-changing plants. Why ground covers change everything. Before we get into our list of specific plants, let's understand why ground covers are such a game changer for gardeners of all experience levels. The traditional approach to landscaping, maintaining a large lawn, fighting weeds every single week, and investing countless hours in upkeep simply doesn't make sense anymore. Ground covers offer a revolutionary alternative that works with nature instead of against it. These plants create a living carpet that covers bare soil completely. When soil is covered, 3 incredible things happen automatically. First, weeds find it nearly impossible to establish themselves because they can't reach the sunlight. Second, the soil stays cooler and more consistently moist, which means less watering overall. Third, you get a finished, polished look without any of the constant maintenance that traditional landscaping demands. The beauty of ground covers is that they adapt to all kinds of difficult situations. Got a shady corner where grass refuses to grow? There's a ground cover for that. Have a steep slope that's dangerous to mow? Ground covers can stabilize it. Dealing with rocky, poor soil? Certain ground covers actually prefer those conditions. This is the smart way to landscape, working with your yard's natural conditions rather than fighting them constantly.
Ground cover number 1, Alpine Thyme. Let's start with a plant that's absolutely perfect for anyone who's tired of pushing a lawnmower. Alpine Thyme is the revolutionary lawnwort placement that gives you all the beauty and none of the work. This remarkable plant grows only a few inches tall and creates an incredibly dense, fragrant mat that stops weeds dead in their tracks. You'll never need to mow it, not once. What makes Alpine Thyme so special is its incredible resilience. Once established, it becomes extraordinarily drought-resistant, meaning you don't need to water it constantly through dry periods. It actually thrives in poor, rocky soil, the kind of soil where traditional grass struggles. This means you can skip the endless fertilizing and soil amendments that regular lawns demand. Here's something amazing that gardeners absolutely love. You can walk all over Alpine Thyme without damaging it. When you step on it, instead of getting crushed, the plant releases a pleasant herbal scent that fills your yard with natural fragrance. In early summer, the entire plant transforms into a breathtaking carpet of tiny pink or purple flowers. These flowers attract butterflies and bees while requiring zero maintenance from you. The payoff is stunning. You get a beautiful, fragrant, incredibly tough alternative to traditional grass that literally looks better the less you fuss with it. If you're ready to eliminate lawn mowing from your life, Alpine Thyme is your answer. Share this tip with friends who are tired of yard work. Ground cover number 2, Ajuga. Now, if you've got a really troublesome area where grass absolutely refuses to grow, Ajuga is the perfect solution that requires almost no intervention from you. This ground cover is a genuine problem solver for difficult spaces. Ajuga spreads using runners that expand outward slowly but steadily. These runners create a thick, interlocking carpet of glossy green foliage that's almost impossible for weeds to penetrate. The density of Ajuga's coverage means weeds simply cannot establish themselves. You won't spend your weekends pulling weeds from these areas anymore. What makes Ajuga incredibly valuable is its remarkable adaptability. It grows equally well in deep shade, those dark corners under trees where nothing else survives, and in partial sun areas. This versatility means you can use Ajuga throughout your landscape to solve multiple problem areas. One plant, infinite uses. The visual appeal is significant. Ajuga produces deep bronze or purple leaves that provide year-round color even when other plants have faded completely. Your garden looks polished and put together throughout all 4 seasons. In spring, the plant sends up spikes of bright blue flowers that add vertical interest to your garden floor without requiring you to deadhead spent blooms. Once Ajuga has covered your target area, it maintains itself perfectly. It stays low and tidy naturally without any pruning or fussing. You're left with a polished, sophisticated look that requires zero weekend work. Please comment below and tell us which ground cover you're most excited to try.
Ground cover number 3, Sunset Sedum. For gardeners dealing with hot, sunny spots, rocky terrain, and poor soil conditions, Sunset Sedum is the spectacular plant-and-forget option that actually thrives in these harsh situations. This is a succulent, which means it has special abilities that regular plants simply don't possess. Succulents store water in their thick, needle-like leaves. This internal water storage system allows Sunset Sedum to survive extended droughts and intense heat waves without drooping or dying. When other plants are struggling in July and August, this plant is thriving and looking beautiful. It's built specifically for difficult conditions. Sunset Sedum spreads steadily across the ground, but remains well-behaved and non-invasive. As it expands, it creates a brilliant neon yellow mat that absolutely brightens up dull, boring spots in your landscape. The color transformation is dramatic and eye-catching. For lazy gardeners, this plant delivers everything. Sunset Sedum requires zero pruning, no deadheading of spent flowers, and almost no watering once its roots have established in the garden. You plant it, walk away, and it handles itself perfectly. During winter months, the golden foliage often transforms into attractive orange or rust tones, providing multi-season interest with absolutely zero effort required from you. It's a tough, reliable, colorful plant that turns the hardest parts of your yard into a genuine landscape highlight. Subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice for more solutions to tough gardening problems. Ground cover number 4, Highland Shade Cover. Highland Shade Cover is genuinely the gold standard for low-maintenance ground covers in shady areas, particularly under large trees where practically nothing else survives. If you've got those dark, difficult zones, this plant is your best friend. Highland Shade Cover creates a clean, uniform carpet of evergreen leaves that looks professionally manicured year-round without requiring a single trim or cut. The uniformity is remarkable. It gives your yard that high-end landscaped appearance without the professional landscaper's price tag. Here's something important. Because Highland Shade Cover grows in such a dense colony, it actually functions as a natural mulch. It keeps the soil beneath it cool and prevents weed seeds from ever reaching sunlight. This is an elegant solution that eliminates weeds through plant density rather than chemicals or constant pulling. Gardeners genuinely appreciate that Highland Shade Cover is remarkably pest-resistant. Deer don't bother it, rabbits leave it alone, insects don't damage it. You don't need to spend money on pest control or protective sprays. The plant simply looks out for itself. Highland Shade Cover doesn't need to be divided, doesn't require pampering, and doesn't demand constant attention. It simply moves steadily across the ground, filling in gaps naturally until you have a lush green floor where nothing grew before. It's the perfect way to transform a dark problem area into a sophisticated evergreen feature that manages itself completely. Like this video if you love plants that handle themselves.
Ground cover number 5, Periwinkle Blue. Periwinkle Blue is a classic choice for excellent reasons. It's nearly impossible to kill, even for beginners, and it provides a trailing, romantic appearance with minimal work required. This plant features glossy, dark green leaves that maintain their vibrant color all winter long. In spring, beautiful violet-blue flowers pop against the green foliage, creating a stunning visual contrast. The combination of reliable evergreen foliage and spring flowers gives you year-round interest. Periwinkle Blue is excellent for stabilizing slopes or covering large open beds where you want a wild yet neat appearance without actually doing any gardening work. It handles both aesthetic goals and practical landscape problems simultaneously. This plant is famous for shade tolerance. It can handle competitive root systems from large trees, making it an excellent solution for those challenging spots. It thrives in shade where sun-loving plants fail. It requires zero supplemental feeding and very little water once it's settled into your garden. For gardeners who want a classic flowering look without the demanding upkeep of traditional flower beds, Periwinkle Blue is a dependable long-term partner. Plant it, and it delivers beauty season after season with minimal intervention. Share this video with gardeners who are struggling with high-maintenance flower beds. Ground cover number 6,
Evergreen carpet grass. Evergreen carpet grass gives you the authentic look of a traditional lawn or ornamental grass without needing a single pass with a mower. This is the secret many landscapers don't want you to know about. This evergreen perennial grows in tufts that slowly spread and connect, eventually forming a thick, dark green carpet. Remarkably, it maintains the exact same height year after year. You don't need to cut it, trim it, or adjust it seasonally. It just stays perfectly consistent. Evergreen carpet grass is one of the cleanest ground covers available because it doesn't get leggy, doesn't need to be cut back, and rarely suffers from pest damage. The appearance is always neat and professional without requiring professional-level maintenance. This plant is particularly useful for modern minimalist landscapes where clean lines and simplicity matter. It's also excellent as a border along walkways where you want a crisp edge without any maintenance work. The visual impact is sophisticated despite the minimal effort required. Evergreen carpet grass thrives in a variety of light conditions, which expands where you can use it throughout your property. It's incredibly tough, standing up to heat and neglect with remarkable ease. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it green carpet for someone who wants grass beauty without grass labor. Comment below and tell us your biggest yard frustration.
Groundcover number 7. Fragrant Forest Floor. Fragrant forest floor is the perfect lazy solution for those damp, shady spots under trees where even weeds struggle to grow. These are the most difficult spots to landscape, and this plant handles them beautifully. It forms a delicate-looking but incredibly tough carpet of star-shaped green leaves. When you brush against the foliage or crush the leaves slightly, they release a pleasant vanilla-like scent. This subtle fragrance adds a sensory dimension to your garden that visitors notice and appreciate. Fragrant forest floor spreads steadily but gently, filling in gaps naturally to create a soft, lush floor that looks like it belongs in a fairy tale, all with zero effort from you. In late spring, the entire plant becomes covered in tiny snow-white flowers. These flowers brighten up dark corners of the yard that need color the most. Because it's naturally resistant to deer and most common pests, you don't need to worry about protecting it or applying any sprays. It looks out for itself. This is a low-profile, high-reward plant that actually thrives on neglect. Your shady beds stay manicured and fragrant all season long without any work from you. If you love plants with fragrance, drop a like and let us know. Ground cover number 8. Fortress Laurel. Fortress Laurel is often called the steel of ground covers because it's virtually impossible to kill. This plant can handle almost anything you throw at it. Fortress Laurel looks like a clump of grass, but it's actually a tough perennial that stays green year-round in most climates. It can handle extreme heat, deep shade, and extended drought simultaneously. It's the ideal choice for gardeners who want a clean, tufted look along edges or on slopes without ever having to pull a weed or turn on a sprinkler. What makes Fortress Laurel such a genuine lazy pick is that it never needs mowing or thinning out. It simply gets thicker and more robust as the years pass. You're not maintaining it, you're watching it improve. In late summer, this plant produces beautiful spikes of purple flowers, followed by dark berries in fall. This provides visual interest across multiple seasons with zero intervention from you. It's a rugged, bomb-proof plant that delivers a structured, professional landscape look for absolutely zero maintenance. Subscribe to our channel for more plant recommendations that require almost no work.
Ground cover number 9. Silver Mirror Nettle. For a splash of bright color in shady areas without the work of a traditional flower bed, Silver Mirror Nettle is an unbeatable choice. This plant does things that other shade plants simply can't accomplish. It features stunning silver variegated leaves that actually act like a mirror, reflecting light into dark areas of your garden. In shaded spots where everything looks dingy and gray, Silver Mirror Nettle brightens the area with its reflective foliage. The effect is almost magical. Silver Mirror Nettle spreads quickly to form a low, dense mat that's excellent at suppressing weeds. Despite its aggressive spreading, it has a non-aggressive root system that won't interfere with your other plants. You get weed suppression without worrying about damaging neighboring plants. Throughout summer, it produces clusters of pink, purple, or white flowers that contrast beautifully with the silvery foliage. The color combinations are naturally striking without requiring you to plan color schemes. It's highly resistant to deer and rabbits, meaning you won't spend time guarding your garden or dealing with animal damage. This is a hardy, colorful, self-sufficient ground cover that provides a high-end designer look with almost no hands-on care. Your garden looks professionally landscaped while requiring minimal effort. Share this with friends who struggle with shade gardening. Ground cover number 10, Crystal Heat Plant. If you have a sunny, rocky area or a steep slope where nothing seems to survive the intense heat, Crystal Heat Plant is your absolute best friend. This plant laughs at conditions that would kill other plants. Crystal Heat Plant is a succulent ground cover built specifically for harsh conditions. Its fleshy leaves store water internally, allowing survival through long periods of complete neglect. You can honestly forget about watering it after the initial establishment period. It creates a tight, low-growing mat that effectively smothers weeds and requires absolutely zero supplemental watering once established. The plant handles its own survival completely. The real wow factor appears in summer when Crystal Heat Plant becomes completely covered in shimmering daisy-like flowers in neon shades of purple, red, or yellow. The flowers grow so densely that they often hide the foliage entirely, creating a spectacular high-impact display for weeks on end. Your landscape becomes a focal point that draws attention and compliments. For lazy gardeners in sunny climates, Crystal Heat Plant offers maximum color and maximum drought tolerance with a maintenance requirement of 0. It's the opposite of high maintenance. It's no maintenance with maximum visual impact. Covering your soil with the right plants is genuinely the smartest way to stop weeding forever. Pick one or more of these hardy ground covers, let them spread naturally, and take your weekends back. The transformation isn't just about less work, though that's certainly wonderful. You're also creating a more sustainable landscape, reducing water usage, supporting pollinators, and building a garden that actually improves with age, rather than requiring constant effort. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to Seniors Gardening Advice and enable notifications so you never miss our gardening content. Please like this video if you found it helpful and share it with friends and family who are tired of endless yard work. Drop a comment below telling us which ground cover excites you most. We read and respond to every single comment. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more solutions for beautiful, low-maintenance gardening. Seniors Gardening Advice, making gardening easier, better, and more enjoyable.